Fitment, compatible with 03, 06 Silverado, 07 Silverado Classic, 03, 06 Suburban, 03, 06 Avalanche, 03, 06 Tahoe, 03, 06 Sierra, 07 Sierra Classic, 03, 06 Yukon, 03, 06 Escalade. Complete kit, pair of towing, camper-style mirror assembly, left-right side, not only cover. Makes it easier to monitor the rear side view for your trailer or camper. Features: powered adjustment mirrors with manual telescoping function, heating element to defrost mirrors, built-in LED turn signal light, reinforcement brackets are used for preventing vibration during driving. Enhanced safety, provides the driver with better and wider angle of rear view to improve on-road safety, can also dramatically improve styling and appearance. Note, only fits vehicles with matching functions as mirror. Professional installation is highly recommended. These tow mirrors are designed to replace the factory mirrors and will install just as the originals do. They make perfect replacements with great upgrades that have good cost savings over the dealer parts. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. Mirrors super easy to install. Quality is excellent. I have tried 2 other tow mirrors from other sellers on Amazon that were garbage. They had poor quality mirrors installed that would magnify or that they would be angled close to the truck. These mirrors are perfect. Smoked LED markers add a nice touch to my smoked headlights and tail lights.